What's going on, YouTube? I went to the store the other day. Meyer, actually. My cat is stomping down the steps. Went to Meyer the other day and found some frozen meals, and I was like, yeah, I don't freeze dry a lot of meals and I need to do that. So what I did is I've always wanted to do an encore dinner. I found a chicken Alfredo with pasta. Then I had this Meyer brand garlic chicken skillet meal. I got 2 of those. And then I had this bird's eye rigatoni and vegetables with sauce, and it says tomato parmesan, and it's just steam in the bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook these according to the directions, which I think these are microwavable and this will be in a skillet. And then put it on the tray. And I'll let them cool off. My freezer is actually full, so I can't pre-freeze these. I'll just get them into the freeze dryer and get them going. So these say skillet in minutes to the table. This is microwavable, takes 15 minutes, and this is, I don't know what time it takes to microwave. 4.5, 5 minutes. Okay, so anyways, these cost $2.79 each, and there's supposedly 1 serving in them. The Encore dinner was $3.09. There's 4 servings in that. And the Meyer's chicken skillet meal was $3.89, and there's 3 to 4 servings in that. So I think I added it up. It was like $12 and some change for these. Not bad. Freezer section's obviously running scarce on stuff, so the options were a little sparse, I should say. So I will get these cooked up and bring you back when I show you them on the trays. Stay with me. Buddy, the bird's eye, I'll put that on the tray first. So it's the bird's eye, tomato parmesan, rigatoni, and vegetables. So it's supposed to be 1 serving is a whole bag, 390 calories. So let's see, 1 bag weighs 10 ounces. And honestly, that's not a whole lot of food for me. Smells okay. So I got 2 bags of that. There's not a whole lot there. Doesn't look bad. Is there spinach in that? I don't know. I probably should have read the direct ingredients, but I didn't. Yep, spinach. So we'll just dump that on there. Try to get it all out. Yep, good enough. I'll spread this out. So there is the bird's eye meal. So there's that. I'll get you a nice zoom up for you. So it's got red and yellow bell peppers in it, spinach, a tomato sauce. So honestly, if you're hungry, you'll eat just about anything. So I think that'll work out pretty good. That's obviously 1 meal for 1 or 2 people. And you can always add extras to it, like cubes of sauce or whatever. So, alright, we'll go ahead and move this out of the way. Alright, so the next one, I threw the packages away, was the grilled, or the skillet meal from Meyer. And I have to be honest with you, I dressed it up a little bit. So it's got like spiral noodles in it. Let's move the camera over here. So it's got big chunks of carrots, spiral noodles. It had some kind of sauce. I added some Parmesan cheese and garlic and oregano to it. There's chunks of chicken in there. Something, and is there corn? Yep, there's corn in there. Something I noticed when I was cooking it, that there was a little bit of fat, so probably not going to be great for long term, but see what we can come up with. And again, like I said, I added stuff to it because it was in a skillet and I could add to it, and that's usually what I do. This one actually smells pretty decent. I've had meals like this before, so they were alright. It's a little hot. Where's my mitt at? Oven mitt? Hello. I am oven mitt. Sorry. Okay, so there is the skillets, and I will get the last one out here in a second. Okay, so the Encore dinner's done. Took about 15 minutes in the microwave. I could have baked it in the oven, but I'm freeze drying it, so it really doesn't matter. So this is chicken Alfredo. I've never had this one. I have had Encore dinners. I prefer the Salisbury steak, the lasagna, and the Turkey Manhattan one. So I dressed up the so I dressed or added two. I didn't add to the bird's eye, the rigatoni one. I didn't get to add to it, it was in a bag, and I got to add to the other one because it was in a skillet. So always get to add flavor. So I'm going to add some. This is garlic pepper with red bell pepper and black pepper. So I'm going to add some of that. I got my cast iron on the back cooking. Turn that off. So and then I have Italian seasonings. Just to give some extra flavor because they can be bland. There's chunks of chicken. If anybody's ever freeze-dried one of the other Encore dinners, leave a comment down below and let me know because I want to try them. But I don't buy them unless they're on sale. So, alright, so we're going to dump this on there. I don't know how much... So I took frozen meals, cooked them, and now I'm going to freeze dry them to get them to last for 25 years. Alright, there we go. Like I said in the beginning, my freezer was full. So I am going to have to let these cool off and then go ahead and run them as a full batch because my freezer's full, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Alright guys, I will bring you back when these are done. Stay with me. Alright everybody, everything's done. 37 hours. Total time I added 5 hours because I had to go to work. So here's the pasta one with the rigatoni. Nice and dry. Feels like styrofoam. I'm going to add a little bit to a bowl. I'm going to do a reconstitute. This was the Meyer meal. Oh, look, the sauce. See it? That's cool. So we'll reconstitute some of that. Let's throw a carrot in there. And a little bit of sauce. There's the other one. Okay. There's the Alfredo. So I'm going to throw an extra noodle or two in there because I heard noodles don't reconstitute very well. So there's the chicken Alfredo. I added some pepper garlic to that. I added Parmesan cheese. There's a piece of chicken, we'll throw that in there too. Parmesan cheese to the one with carrots. It was like a garlic chicken. And I added more garlic to it. And I can't remember if I added anything to this one. So there they are. I'm going to get these bagged up and I will bring you back for the reconstitution part. Stay with me. Alright, reconstitution. This is the chicken, garlic, whatever. This is the rigatoni with the tomato sauce and then the Alfredo. So, Got a plastic spoon. The noodle's hard. Carrot, nice and soft. I can see those noodles taking forever. There's a piece of chicken. So the noodles will take a little bit longer, but everything tastes decently. It's the Alfredo. Those noodles reconstitute a little bit quicker. So, alright everybody, there we go. Thanks for watching. That's taking freezer meals from the store and freeze drying them so you have them long-term food storage. Thank you.